mild steel. So we're going to find the center of it, which is pretty important because we're going to be driving in with tools. And as you found out, the path of least resistance behind the force of a tool will always blow that material out. Mark it light, check it. Always trust your eye, even though the lines might be telling you one thing. Mark it pretty good. So we're going to use that as our starter. And we're going to take some pretty intense heats on the end. We're going to get a pocket started with a small diameter ball tool to give us a bit of an anchored foothold to then go in with the larger. This is setting up to produce a rivet set for 3/8 diameter rivet stock. Rivet heads are not hemispheric, kind of odd shape. So this is a stock, kind of a vintage one. That would change with manufacturers. But most of the time, they're just kind of squatty oval. You can use a stock rivet as a finishing shape in your holster. Once you let the large punch do the work, this is really close. You can go and finish it over that if the need is there, like really trying to match that rivet head on the opposite side. Remember, you never see that rivet head with the one you're making. It's on the other side of something. These are just mild steel, ground or filed. You can do anything you want. The rub is how much rivet stock do you need, or tenon, to fill that void. So that's another calculation we'll get into when we set these. I'm having you cut these tenons to leave about 3/8 of an inch of tenon outside the bar. And typically you need 1 to 1.5 times the diameter of the stock for a decent rivet head. It could be anything in between, but the average is 1 to 1.5 times. So 1 time is 3/8 of an inch. 1.5 is about half. So depending on how big and pronounced the rivet head you want, that's what you're going to do. But the actual size and shape of the rivet head on a given stock, you as the artist, I mean, you can determine that. If you wanted that big a rivet head on 1/4 inch, you can do it. It'll be tricky to fill that void and upset that much 1/4 inch round. But it could be done. Grab the piece by the hop and just take it easy, find that spot and kind of check things, make sure you're staying in the center. Work from all different sides just in case, and the fact you're probably leaning the punch a bit. And as you do that, it's going to suck the surface in. So come around the outside and push that down a bit. Make sure it's where you want. And then with another heat, you can get on it and really move it in. You won't want to go deeper with this tool than you're going to go with this one. So just be cautious. You can even put a second one in between if it was too much work to make this shape from this one. You could do that. Well, I've got 2 sets of these and we'll float them around the shop. You guys can just use those. You saw the finishes, right? So the top part of this, being radius, is really important. Because when you're setting the rivet, you don't want the sides of the tool to dig into your work. stock is also a dead soft alloy. It's steel, but there's almost no carbon in it. That's so.